Okay, my Shuttlebirds ladies. This is most of what I will have available at the Shuttlebirds workshop this year. It's not everything because Laura's going to meet me there with some of the stock that Tina's sending, and I have another box coming from Japan. But I do have Clover shuttles. I have the classic with pick, so that one is with pick and without. I have the indigo and the red shuttles. I have more large picot combs coming, but I have lots of smalls right now. I have the Bobbin Shuttles, mostly white. I think I have a little bit of brown. And I think I've got a refill pack for the brown. I'm not sure if I have one for the white. I have these little Clover mini looms I can throw in. I'm going to put in all of our little Sashiko kits that I have on hand. And I will throw in the Sashiko thread. I have these super cute little Kuriki Press bunny kits. So they make this little bunny. And I've got just a random assortment. I think I only have 5 of these left. And if you want me to, I can throw in some of the little stitched ornament kits as well. These are really cute. And that's a wood base that you stitch through, so it's really nice because they're very sturdy. And I have just a couple of these little embroidery samplers. Most of what I have are the ornament kits because I thought they were so cute. What else have I got? I will not be bringing my tatting for sale. We're going to ignore that. I have like one random pack of handy hands, size 40. I've got some needle minders. I have needle threaders in lots of sizes. I'll bring all of that. I'll bring the blocking mat. I will bring all of these little embroidery kits from Japan. The Clooney looms. I do have more of these. I only have 2 here, but Tina has some as well. I can throw in the pom-pom makers if you want. We have these great wooden brooches, which are really nice to make anything with. You can put like tatting on a piece of fabric and then put it together into a little brooch kit, kind of like they show on the back here. I've got the big Clover shuttles. I will bring some highlighter tape. I have Sashiko needles that I will bring. I will have my little decorated tatting shuttles. I don't know if this one has... There's one in there. This one says fun in the sun. You can't see that. I've got some airlets, and if I have time, I'll try to decorate a few more. This one's pretty with the red roses. Anyway, I'll try to decorate a few more. I do have some of the Pico gauge sets. I will have 5 packs. This is an old 5-pack, but I have lots more of the floral as well as the brights. I've got some of the dreamlets and the narrow Celtics and the winders. And what else have I got? These really fun little needle packs. These are from Hiroshima. Pretty colors. What else have I got in here? Sticky bead mats. Big coaster kits. I have a few tatting needles, but not a lot. If you want more tatting needles, you need to tell me because I need to order these. Because this is pretty much all I have. So if you want tatting needles, I need to know. I have like 1 Tatsy. I can throw in these little gauges and the Verna beaters as well. I only have 7 or 8 of those. So if you want more, if you think this is going to be really big, then I need to order these. I also have these bead aids, which are really nice. Because, well, I would have to show you how to use them, but they're really, really nice. They're really, really nice. Let's see. Thread-wise. Okay, peeps. I have a little dab of Floretta, so I will bring, and this is a size 10. I'll bring just a few of these because I only really have these 3 colors left. So, yeah. I'll just bring a little bit of that. I will bring all of the Olympus, and that's the small size, the medium size, all of the Daruma, all of the large size, and all of the metallic Olympus. I will bring a selection of these guys, which are the Perlovka, and then I have just a few of these left. If anybody wants one of the Constellation series star maps, these are super fun to stitch, and I will bring these with me. I've got, oh, I guess I have 3. Well, that explains where the missing 2 were. So anyway, I have 3 of these. If you want one, you've got to drop me a note. Somehow. You can contact me on kelly@blacksheep@arinco.com. You can drop a message through Facebook or the YouTube or whatever. Just, you got to let me know because these do take up space. So I do have 3 of those available. I'm also, I was testing this, so I ordered these. I have 2 balls of the Daruma size 80. I also got in some of the Olympus Special Gold in these 50-gram balls. So mostly I have white, but if you're interested, I'll bring those. I will also bring all of this, which is the Special Gold number 40 on the Olympus, and I did go ahead and order a few more colors of that, which is coming. Beads, I will bring all of the beads that I can fit in. Stitch markers, these are bone tapestry needles, I'll bring those. Lots and lots and lots of stitch markers and little sticky flag sets for, taking notes, because sometimes those are handy. If you're a knitter, I will try to go ahead and pack all of the needles that I currently have for the Hayas, and I will see if Tina can throw more in. So I'll have needles available as well. And then hang on just a minute. Okay, and now in the random corner of stuff, if anyone's interested, I can bring some of my booklets on my intro to Mediterranean knotted lace. I also have a couple of the RSN Goldwork books, so raise your hand if you want one of those. And then I have a pile of books, and I will probably bring as many of these as I possibly can. So I have like the little embroidery stitching ones. I have Take a Box of Baubles. I have Return of the Spider. I have some like the Sashiko Handy Pocket Guide, the stencils. I have Sashiko and Color. And then this is a Romanian point lace book from Japan. And I have one of the Peiko books with the really pretty necklace on it. I love this necklace. And then I may not bring this one because it's knitting. So if you want this like Shetland lace stitch dictionary, you'll have to let me know. And then I've got more tatting. I've got some crochet lace. If you want the crochet lace books, please let me know. Because again, those will be one of the ones that if I have space, I will put it in. This one's also a crochet book. And then there's this one. I have 3 of these super cute crochet corsage ones. Oh my goodness. Okay, what else have I got? I have some intro to books, and I will have more of these available too. Tina has some that she'll be bringing. Intro to Milanese, Honiton, Bedfordshire, Celtic Letters, Small Friendly Spider, and then I have some like random Japanese tatting books. This one happens to be a Japanese Mediterranean knotted lace book that I've been bringing in, so if you want one of those, let me know. I also have the newest book from Sumi, which is that navy blue background, and I just got these in. This is my tatting lace accessories and motifs from Applemint. That's one of the newest publications that they've put out. And then if you are into the Irish crochet, I have this really awesome Irish crochet lace motif 100. And I have a big pile of those. So I will be bringing a couple, if I have space, I will try to bring some of the crochet stuff. If not, I'm going to stick to tatting. If you really, really want books, please go in and either order them and select pickup and, oh, I should put these up here where they were. So just select like physical pickup or physical location and pick out the books that you want so that I make sure that I bring them. if you are, you know, and that'll get you free shipping. And just put a note on the notes that says, you know, pick up at Shuttlebirds or whatever. And that way I will know that you're picking those up at Shuttlebirds. So I will make sure that I pack them if I have them, or that Laura brings them if she is bringing them. Let me think. Oh, there's one more thing I need to show you. All right, last thing but not least, if you are wanting these square bobbins, you need to let me know, because I probably won't bring a lot of these unless somebody says, hey, I want like 100. So this is like a pack of 50 right here, just so you know. And I do have, these are the Guatambu. These are my Purple Heart, and no, these are my Bubinga. There's my Purple Heart, and there's my Purple Heart. So Purple Heart, the Bubinga, and the Guatambu. So just let me know if you want bobbins. You can, of course, like pre-order, and again, just, well, let me turn that. You can select, like, just pick it up, physical pickup at the shop, and then there, lovely, all the stuff behind me. And then you can just put a note in it, just put a note and tell me that you are going to be picking it up at Shuttlebirds, and I will make sure that I put it in my bag and pack it with me. I'm bringing 2 giant suitcases and then whatever Laura can fit in the car. And we will have some hand-dyed yarn. We will have mostly thread shuttles. I am trying to get the new clover shuttles from Japan that have the hooks on the end. If you want, this is really important, if you want Lizbeth, I didn't even say anything about the Lizbeth because it's packed in a tote and I forgot to. I do have just a little bit of Lizbeth. If it is on the website, then that means that I have it in hand. If there is a specific size or color that you want, please get me your list. Email me, Kelly with an I, @ Black Sheep, ATORENCO.com, because you need to send me your list so that I can get that in by April 7th. Hopefully that gives you, it's a week, should give you enough time. By April 7th, I need to put that in. I don't have a ton of the airlit, sunlit, dreamlit shuttles. I have some. I will order just a few more of each of those. I'm going to order some of the mini crochet hooks as well from Handy Hands to have available for you all. And then if there's Lizbeth thread in a certain size and certain color that you want, please, please let me know ASAP, because again, I'm going to bring everything that I possibly can, but I have 2 suitcases that I have to fit everything in, and I have to be 50 pounds or less. So that's kind of my goal coming out to Shuttlebirds. So I'm going to add a little video here to the end that's just sort of what we had at the Winter Lace Conference in California, and most of what you see in that video will be available at Shuttlebirds. But again, if you want specific colors and sizes of the Handy Hands thread, you need to tell me and get your order in by April 7th so that I can order and get it back and get it packed to go to Idaho. So anyway, thank you guys, and I will see you later. Bye.